Hello, Kunjani?
Shabana.
Ngiyaphila, what's your name?
Kamo.
Kamo, who's your favorite artist?
Scott.
Scott Mapuma. What's your favorite song by Scott Mapuma?
Kalama Sekete.
Ngixolele.
Oh. Sekalama Sekete ayibulela ma weekend kabo mdu everywhere ufuna ukwenzani kabza ke
Bathini bona.
Oh my God!
Which album would you say was like the best Amapiano album or best South African album nje yaphuma for when? Yeah, album nje. Okay, walalela wathi okay, this one is the best one. Go on ke wawezwa. Iphi album ongathi till today is the best one?
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Limek.
Which one?
Nazo.
Pinda foto. Pinda quem?
Which one?
Nazo.
Huh? Okay, Sonjul. Sonjul. So, who's your celebrity crush?
Budisha. Ah, Budisha.
Chico Gautempe.
Yeah.
Okay, any words for him?
Hi. Nah.
No, he might see this. Okay, so between 500,000 or a night out with Chico, what would you choose?
Ngizochuzani?
Yeah.
And I'd be Chico.
Yes. Joe, and you're leaving the money.
Yeah, nah.
Unemali musana. Chico, I hope you see the shit, man. Nee, dank. Well, thank you. Niswile.